Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show y'all how to make these cute little safety pin shirts. The ones that are trending, you already know, so just keep watching and stay tuned to find out how to make these cute trendy shirts. Period.
Aye, boy. Aye, bad bitch taste like cherry, kiwi, real big TDD, double DDs.
Okay, the items you're going to need is the t-shirts, food coloring to tie-dye, and of course the safety pins. I'm going to start off by showing you what the t-shirt looks like and whatnot. Now I'm going to mark the shirt where I want to cut it at, just to have a visual of where to cut. Alright, so now I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to tie-dye my shirt. I'm going to grab the middle of the t-shirt and just kind of twist it into a circle. Then grab 2 rubber bands and tie it around the shirt to keep it into a ball form. Next, I'm grabbing 2 bags. One to put the t-shirt in for after I'm dyeing, and the other was because I was being kind of ghetto and couldn't find gloves at the time. But now I'm just adding the dye directly to the shirt. But as you can see, I switched up my method because I didn't want my shirt to be too dark or too one color, so I added the hot water with the dye too. Mind you, I do not know how to tie dye. Like, this is my first time doing it, so do your research before you actually tie dye and stuff. Don't go off of what I do. But next, I'm going to put the t-shirt into the bag and let it sit for about 8 to 10 hours and let the dye sit into the t-shirt. Alright, so with the other shirt that I am not tie-dyeing, I'm just gonna cut it in half and add the safety pins. I wanted one shirt that was extra and over the top, and then I wanted another shirt that was plain white and just chill, even though these aren't chill because they got safety pins. But y'all know what I'm saying. I'm trying to be a baddie, one that's extra and one that's chill, y'all know. Alright, now I'm just gonna start adding the safety pins to my shirt. And at first I made the safety pins kind of close together, but when I began my other shirt and adding the safety pins, I realized that I didn't have enough. So I respaced them. So it's up to you how you want them spaced. If you have enough safety pins, make them as close as you want. I was just too lazy to go buy another pack of safety pins. You know what I'm saying? But it was still cute either way. The shirt was going to come out cute anyways. Alright guys, now it's been a whole day since I put that tie-dye shirt in the bag, and it's not completely dry, so yeah, that's probably why it came out so light, but I don't care. I was just ready to get it done and over with. So now I'm just gonna rinse the shirt in this bowl. You don't want to put tie-dye into your washer because it's gonna stain your washer, so don't do that. Wash it in a bowl with cold water. As y'all can see, none of the green even showed up on the shirt, and I'm actually happy that happened because it looks so cute with just the pink, and it just looks amazing. I'm glad it came out the way it did. Alright, now I'm just cutting it into that S pattern y'all always see. Y'all know what I'm talking about. But I'm just cutting into that S little pattern across the shirt. Super cute, gives it a unique design. ahead and cut the other side. And I'm doing this because I wanted my slit to be more noticeable, but make sure you're not cutting it too wide because this could cause nip slips, which your girl has figured out. I cut mine too wide. So just measure it before you go ahead and make your slits. Alright, next I'm just going to go ahead and start adding them safety pins, spacing them how I want them. Something cute, just eyeball how you want your spacing to be. It's no extra measuring or anything like that. Here I'm just showing y'all me respacing these safety pins, and to be honest, I actually like them more spaced out like this than the real close together, but just space them how you prefer. Once again, okay, it's all up to you. It's your preference, babe. It's all up on you, okay? Alright y'all, and this is the finished product. I love it. It's so cute. I do want to let y'all know that this is see-through, so be careful about that. Yeah, be careful. But this is super cute. I love it. I love both of them. Thank you guys once again for watching one of my videos. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in for more videos to come your way. Thank you guys. Bye.